Hello, my friend. This is Magnus from Sweden. I hope everything is fine with you. And here I'm back with another assignment for you. And this time I want to collect some information from various sources about companies. So it might look confusing at the beginning, but just bear with me. I will explain everything to you. What you need, you actually have got from me two text files. One of them is the one you see here to the left, my left screen. And I'm sorry about this like super widescreen format of this video. I hope you can see it anyway. And I was a little bit distracted. I got a message there, but back to this. I always work with two screens. I could not live without it. So if you're not, try it out. You will get addicted. So back to this now. You will get one sort of information document, and you will get one list of companies, and you have a list of resources I use to gather the information. What I actually use a quite extensive, very good plugin anyway. I can recommend it to you. It's the Chrome Open List plugin. What it basically does is that you can copy a list of URLs and then go to Chrome and you click this small icon here, and then you can just paste them in, and it opens like all of them without you like needing to copy and paste them many times. So here is a list of companies. You will get a larger list, but I just use this one company for this instruction. So what I would do, I work a lot with text files. You could set it up in like a spreadsheet if you like to. It's really up to you. I can just tell you like the next step after all the data have been collected will be that I will give you instructions how to create a website, like copy paste the information into a website or a website post, which you are familiar with already. So, okay, let's go. I have opened up all the resources I need. I have the company name here. So I would actually go to this document. Here is the like template document. In this template, I used another company. So what I would do, so I don't forget about it, is that I would save this as the company name, so I don't overwrite the old one by mistake. So company name is this one. The first off I want to collect is, like you see, the URL, the email, and the phone number. Usually you can get this like directly from Google. It provides this information. Oh, now I actually forgot to enter something here. It should be which is opening hours in English. So back to this now. You should get the URL, right? Which is this one. I open it up so I get the raw URL, and we paste that in here. The email address they probably have on their website. So just get that one from here. Usually they have it in the bottom, or actually I can tell you that contact in Swedish is this one, contact. So you have that one to look for, or that. Or you could simply, like I use Google. Maybe you can type in email or contact here. You will probably get to this URL yourself. So just go here then to that page. Search probably for a email, right? And usually it's the info address. If you don't find the email address, just type info at the domain. Info at the domain. But here we got it, and it should be like .com here. Okay, anyway. Back to Google. That one. And here we actually have like the phone number, right? we should have the opening hours as well. Let's see if I can copy paste this right. Almost here. Oh, that one was tricky. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it does. But what you needed to do was actually choose them and then press Control C. Now you see they actually are listed in this format. It doesn't start with Monday, so I want to sort them according to that. So because the week starts with Monday, it's just like it's Tuesday, Thursday today, so that's why. So here we have opening hours, right? We have everything else, the phone number. Now we wish to get the address, and that one we have here too. And there is like a comma, right? So I should do it like that. Remove the old one. And then the comma is where you should insert the new line. Now the next part is actually to get and embed a Google map. And what you can save from this one is actually this last, which is a link to the website this map is going to end up on. So we could save that as a reference over here, because we will change that in the map. Here you see also like the frame width should be 280 and the height 200. And we're going to use a service called this one, where we're actually going to type in the company name and see if we get some answer. And yes, we do. So we should use the satellite on version, and we should set the width to 280 and the height to 200. And then we're able to get the HTML code. So we'll copy paste that. We can now copy and paste it over this. And now you see in the end here, it says Google Map by this service. I would like to remove that and replace that with a link to the website. So we just do it like that, and then we paste that in. So we can remove that. I can leave that as a reference, so you have it for the next time. Okay, so I'm a little bit, I can just save so I don't lose any information. Now we come to the more info part of this, and it's together some social profiles. So you can go to Facebook and to Twitter and to Instagram, but what I tend to do is just to go to Google and type in like Bisnode Facebook, because probably someone wanted this information already. So here we go. And then I have Facebook URL. I do the same with like Twitter. Just as Google knows. Someone else check that too. So we have that one. Now I open in a new browser window. Doesn't have to do that. Let's go back. And then let's see if they have some Instagram. Yeah, if someone would be looking for that one too. Oh yeah, they have. And here I would say if this is an Instagram page, I think. Some only have like an Instagram like hashtag. So just grab whatever you get. Okay, if you just get like a hashtag, just grab it from Instagram. Does not matter. And here we have like the search term from Google. If you want to do like a quick search, they can just press this link. And I think you could just copy paste that here, right? Or you can use. I wonder what if it's like two separate. What happens to that? Bisnode plus Sweden. Okay. So if it's a space between the company name. I think it's like that. Let's try it out. It looks like that. Yeah. You see, you can, if it's a space between, you can use, but now it was, now I type. That would be the correct one, right? Yeah, the plus sign in between. Okay, good. So now we're gonna go over to search for information in some Swedish sources. First one is Alla bolag, where you can search for like company information. Here I noticed that it says credit sales here, which was the only one. So we should say is no, yeah, right. And then we copy that and we paste it in here. We should get some kind of result. So we just copy that one to get the link over here. Now we keep on and get some links about reviews about the company. So here I see it should, oh sorry, wrong thing in the complication. We want to do it like that. Omdömen, like I say here, is like you can understand reviews in Swedish. We first go to this site. This is eniro.se. You see the site over here. And here we search for the company name. Let's see what they come up with. And then they have this one, the same address, right? So we choose this one. I wonder if we can open it in a new page. How does this work? Query. I wonder if they have like their own page, or this seems like some kind of ding ding ding. Let's see, I'm not really super familiar with this website, but I guess we just take that URL then and we copy it into here. Yeah, okay then, we continue. Just move on. Here we go. Next one. Do this one. Let's see if we can get some terms. And we had two actually. One was in the city of this city, like I think that was the address. Actually, no. It was in Solna. It doesn't matter. Just grab one. I take this one. We shouldn't. Here we see the address anyway. It's the same as the address kind of up here. So it should be that one. But if it's not, like, yes, move on. It's not the end of the world. And then we go to this kind of familiar site called for Trustpilot. And we do the same thing again. Copy this one here. Oh yeah, we got something. They got some good reviews. So we copy that one. I mean, copy the link even if they have bad reviews. Now, there are Google reviews too. You know, if we go to the Google site, you might find some review. Oh, we do not. Yeah, we have here 30 Google reviews. Now I want to get like a link directly to the review page. Then you need to use the service. This is the service I found, which is super good. And we have that one here. So what you actually do is just you paste in, like you always have done here, the name, and then you choose, it was this one, I think, in Solna, Sweden. Yes, that one. And here is the review link. So we think that I can just show you how the review link looks like. You see, it opens up the review tab directly. Kind of fancy. Good feature. So anyway, that's it. Just let's go through everything. We have, so we don't have any old information to, because I reused kind of like the old template. No, everything is here, and I saved it like that one. So I just save everything again. And actually, that's all there is to it. So I will just collect the list for you now, and then I kind of I will just send off everything to you. And if I don't talk to you before the weekend, I wish you a great weekend. Thank you very much. Over and out.